In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up SMS marketing for your Shopify store using Klaviyo. Start by going to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. After opening the Settings section, find and select Checkout. This will take you to the area where you'll manage the checkout-related settings for your store. Once you're inside the checkout settings, look for the section called Marketing Options. In this section, locate the option related to SMS marketing. Enable SMS marketing for your store. This step allows SMS marketing to be used as part of your store's marketing setup. After enabling SMS marketing, you'll see an option labeled SMS App. Click on this option to continue. Selecting SMS App will take you to the Shopify App Store, where you'll find a selection of SMS marketing applications available for integration with your Shopify store. Browse the available SMS apps and review the options presented. The App Store will display multiple choices that can be connected to your store. When you've decided which SMS application you want to use, proceed with the installation process. For this tutorial, the recommended option is Klaviyo. Locate Klaviyo in the available app options and begin the installation process. Follow the prompts provided on screen to add the app to your Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, continue through the setup process provided by Klaviyo. The setup wizard will guide you through the remaining configuration steps. Carefully follow each prompt as it appears. During setup, you'll need to connect your Shopify store to the app. Continue through the configuration process and import your customer list when prompted. Follow the instructions provided by the app to complete this step. After importing your customer list, move on to the campaign settings section. Configure the available campaign settings according to the options provided during setup. Work through each screen until the setup process is fully completed. Make sure all required fields and settings have been configured before proceeding. Once you reach the final step and the setup has been completed, review the configuration to ensure everything has been connected properly. At this point, your SMS marketing setup is complete. To recap, open Settings, select Checkout, enable SMS marketing under Marketing Options, click SMS App, choose and install Klaviyo, connect your store, import your customer list, configure your campaign settings, and complete the setup process. That's all there is to it. Your Shopify store is now set up for SMS marketing using Klaviyo. Thank you. See you in the next videos.